Hey guys, Rob from Harmony here, and in this lesson I'll be giving you my #1 tip to help you build your confidence with singing. Before I do that, if you could hit the subscribe button, the little bell icon, and give this video a like, as that massively helps us in delivering this free content for you guys. Leave a comment below and let me know if you struggle with your confidence when it comes to singing. Tell me exactly what it is you feel nervous about, and I'll try and give you some advice to help you get over that problem. So if I had to give one tip to help you build confidence with your singing, it would have to be rip off the bandage and go and do it. There's nothing worse than sort of sitting at home and just building up the idea of, oh my God, I have to sing. Oh my God, I have to perform. It's the same with any task you have to do. The more you let your brain take over and turn it into some huge monumental thing, the more impossible it is to take that step. So find a space, a place, somewhere where you can just go and sing. When I was younger, I used to walk to and from school or to and from the bus up and down a busy main road. So the traffic noise was enough of a distraction so that I could sing and belt out those notes and make mistakes. But because I'd started to sing, because I'd started to do it, I found it really easy to then take the next step and sing for someone or with someone else. Try and get in the mindset of, especially if you're a shy person, I've always been quite a shy person in public and talking to people. I'd get in the mindset of that first moment where you say hi to someone or just start a conversation with someone, and there's that sense of panic that your heart starts to go, especially if it's someone new, your heart starts to go. But the longer and longer the conversation goes on, the easier it is to talk to that person, and your character starts to come out, and you start to make jokes, and then the more you see that person, you become confident. That's the same thing with singing. You just have to take that first step and just start to sing, and slowly but surely you start to realize that it's very similar to talking to someone, to talking to a group of people. The more you do it, you don't have to be amazing, but you have to start at some point. So #1 tip, rip off the bandage, go do it.